Okay, so the basics are we're just going to do an update, and as you can see, things are a little bit clearer now that I have the light on. We're going to try to do alright. Now I'm in root. Now it's basically just apt update. Alright, that part's done, or it's going through it. I'll pause for a moment. Okay, now that the update portion is done, I'll be moving on to Timshift. And since I'm still in root, I'm just going to go apt install. I know I could have just used this portion, and then oh my god, I am so terrible at this portion of the typing, but it's what I've got. So space, and let's just install Timeshift. And let's go. Yes. Why? Yes, my shaky cam skills reign supreme. But it's getting me what I need. I found a repository. It's downloading, unpacking, and installing. All that good stuff. I don't really want to bore you, but here we go. Okay, at this point, it's already finished. So we're just going to go to the application manager, and we're going to go to system. It should show up around here. There it is. So if we fire it up, there's our Timeshift utility. And I'll pause right there for a second. Okay, we're creating a snapshot. Apparently, Timeshift works. I set it up so that way it will actually do a snapshot at boot, but I elected to do one right now. So the next one will be when I turn the system on again.